Good day. Our topic for today is all about intellectual property code. Intellectual property refers to any creation of the human mind, expressed in the form of original ideas, expressions, products, or processes. Intellectual property, we have industrial property and copyright. Intellectual property legislation. Republic Act 8293, the Intellectual Property Code of the Philippines of 1997, Republic Act 9168, the Philippine Plant Variety Protection Act of 2002, Republic Act 8493, the Magna Carta for Scientists, Engineers, and Researchers in Government, Republic Act 10055, the Technology Transfer Act of 2010. Patents, a grant issued by the Philippine government giving the inventor the right to exclude others from making, selling, using, or importing the product or invention in exchange of full disclosure. Patents and invention is any technical solution to a technical problem in a field of human activity which is number one, new and novel. Number two, involves inventive steps. Number three, has industrial applicability. New and novelty requirements. It does not form part of the prior art. Anything made available to the public anywhere in the world prior to the filing. Inventive step. It's a requirement that an invention not be obvious to someone with ordinary skills in the art, given what was already known at the time of the invention. Capable of industrial application. Industrial application constitute a conditions of patentability of the invention which requires that its subject matter can be manufactured or used in any kind of industry, including agriculture. The following are some of the examples of patents as well as trademarks. Utility model. Utility models are a form of patent like protection for minor or incremental innovations. They tend to protect the function aspect of a product. Term of protection, 7 years from filing without possibility of renewal. Non-patentable inventions. The following shall be excluded from patent protection. First, discoveries, scientific theories, and mathematical methods. Schemes, rules, and methods of performing mental acts, playing games, or doing business, and programs for computers. Third, methods for treatment of the human or animal body by surgery or therapy, and diagnostic methods practiced on the human or animal body. This provision shall not apply to any product and composition for use in any of these methods. Number 4, plant varieties or animal breeds or essentially biological process for the production of plants or animals. Number 5, aesthetic creation. And number 6, anything which is contrary to public order or morality. Novelty. An invention shall not be considered new if it forms part of a prior art. Prior art shall consist of everything which has been made available to the public anywhere in the world before the filing date or the priority date of the application claiming the invention. Right to a patent. The right to a patent belongs to the inventor, his heirs, or assigns. When two or more persons have jointly made an invention, the right to a patent shall belong to them jointly. First to file rule, or if two or more persons have made the invention separately and independently of each other, the right to the patent shall belong to the person who filed an application for such invention, or where two or more applications are filed for the same invention. to the application or to the applicant who has the earliest filing date or the earliest priority date. Inventions created pursuant to a commission. The person who commissions the work shall be the owner of the patent unless otherwise provided in the contract. In case the employee made the invention, in the course of his employment contract, the patent shall belong to: first, to the employee, if the inventive activity is not a part of his regular duties, even if the employee uses the time, facilities, and materials of the employer. Second, to the employer, if the invention is the result of the performance of his regularly assigned duties, unless there is an agreement, expressed or implied, to the contrary. Right of priority. An applicant or application for patent filed by any person who has previously applied for the same invention in another country, which by treaty, convention, or law affords similar privileges to Filipino citizens, shall be considered as filed as of the date of filing the foreign application, provided that first, the local application expressly claim priority; b, it is filed within 12 months from the date the earliest foreign application was filed. C. A certified copy of the foreign application together with an English translation is filed within 6 months from the date of filing in the Philippines. Patent application. The patent application shall be in Filipino or English and shall contain the following: first, a request for the grant of a patent; second, a description of the invention; third, drawings necessary for the understanding of the invention; fourth, one or more claims; and last, an abstract. No patent may be granted unless the application identifies the inventor. If the applicant is not the inventor, the office may require him to submit said authority. Appointment of agent or representative. An applicant who is not a resident of the Philippines must appoint or maintain a resident agent or representative in the Philippines upon whom notice or process for judicial or administrative procedure relating to the application for patent or the patent may be served. Any interested person may, upon payment of the required fee, petition to cancel the patent or any claim thereof, or parts of the claim, on any of the following grounds. First, that what is claimed as the invention is not new or patentable. Second, that the patent does not disclose the invention in a manner sufficiently clear and complete for it to be carried out by any person skilled in the art. Or C, that the patent is contrary to public order or morality. Prior user. Any prior user who in good faith was using the invention or has undertaken serious preparations to use the invention in his enterprise or business before the filing date or prior date or priority date of the application on which a patent is granted shall have the right to continue the use thereof as in such preparations within the territory where the patent produces its effect. Industrial design. An industrial design is the ornamental or aesthetic aspect of an article. Design, in this sense, may be three-dimensional features or two-dimensional features. Term of protection, 5 years from the filing date, renewable for not more than two consecutive 5 years. Trademark, any visible sign that is capable of distinguishing goods or services of an enterprise and shall include a stamp or mark container of such goods. A trademark is a type of intellectual property that protects a company unique name, logo, symbols, or praise. Trademarks help businesses distinguish their products or services from competitors. Term of protection, 10 years from the date of filing. Copyright, literary and artistic works, referred to as work, are original intellectual creations in the literary and artistic domain protected from the moment of their creation and shall include, in particular, books, pamphlets, articles, and other writings. periodical and newspapers, lectures, sermons, address, dissertation prepared for oral delivery, whether or not reduced in writing or other material form. Letters, dramatic or dramatico-musical composition, choreographic works, or entertainment and dance shows. Musical composition with or without words, works of drawing, painting, architectures, sculptures, engraving, lithography, or other work of arts, models, or designs for works of arts, original ornamental designs, or models for articles of manufacture, whether or not registrable as an industrial design and other works of applied art. Illustrations, maps, plans, sketches, charts, three-dimensional work related to geography, topography, architecture, or science. Drawing or plastic work of a scientific or technical character, photographic works, audiovisual works, pictorial illustration and advertisement, computer programs, and other literacy or literary, scholarly, scientific, and artistic works. The private reproduction of a published work in a single copy, where the reproduction is made by a natural person exclusively for research and private study, shall be permitted, without the authority of the owner of copyright in the work. Any person infringing the right protected under this law shall be liable. Any person infringing any right secured by provisions, aiding or abetting such infringement shall be guilty of a crime punishable by: for first offense, imprisonment of 1 year to 3 years plus fine ranging from 50,000 to 100,000 pesos. For second offense, imprisonment of 3 years and 1 day to 6 years plus a fine of 150,000 to 500,000 pesos. For third offense and subsequent offenses, imprisonment of 6 years and 1 day to 9 years plus a fine of 500,000 to 1,500,000. Thank you.